Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create an account on PolyBuzz AI. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch the app and begin. So open the PolyBuzz column Chat with AI Friends app on your Android or iOS device. Ensure you're running the latest version, which is version 2.1.12 on Android, last updated July 22, 2025, and version 2.1.14 on iOS, updated July 27, 2025. On the welcome screen, once you open, you're going to see an option that says you should add your birthday. So add your birthday. Once you add your birthday, choose your sex, male, female, non-binary, choose your sex. After that, add your birthday and click on get started. So it's going to take you to a window that looks like this. So click on your icon, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner once you're logged in, once you get started and come in. Now, the top here where you have my profile name or your profile name, you're going to see something that says login or sign up. So click on that. And once you click on that, it's going to take you to a sign up window where you can now create an account. All right. So you'll be prompted to either enter email address and password or just sign up using Google or Apple. So choose on any of the options to sign in or to sign up or to log in. And after entering your info, just go ahead and hit next or continue. So if you're using email, if you choose email or password, you might get a verification email from PolyBuzz. So check your inbox for a verification email from PolyBuzz AI and tap the link in the email to confirm your address and return to the app. The app may ask for access to notifications so you don't miss messages. And for microphone, that's for voice chat, and storage of photos, which is optional for customizing avatar images or character cards. Tap allow or deny based on your preferences. So you'll also be prompted to choose a username or display name, pick something unique and fun. Optionally, tap set profile picture to upload an avatar or character illustration. Accept terms and conditions and privacy policy to proceed. After setup, you land on the main home or discover screen, which you have here. So look for UI elements like chat buttons. There's the plus icon, usually bottom navigation to create your first AI character. Tabs like characters, explore profile, and stuff like that. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.